welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie. Today I have a new video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my small haul from scrapbook.com. Recently I purchased an order because I was on Instagram. Sorry about that. Somebody was coming up the stairs and she started barking. So as I was saying, recently I was on Instagram and you know, the scrapbook.com ads popped up on my feed and I saw the cutest little metal die, and so I went on scrapbook.com and I was looking for it and I decided to go ahead and purchase it. And then of course one thing led to another. I ended up getting a few more other little things, and then they had a lot of freebies. So I was like, yes. So you guys already know, once they have freebies, I'm all for it. And I love to just, you know, go in there and grab them. So that's exactly what I did. I got a good amount of little freebies, you guys. So again, if you guys are on scrapbook.com, make sure you're always checking out the freebies and add them to your cart because they are usually a really good deal and it's like really good items. So again, this video is not sponsored in any way, but I do love metal die cutting and I love dies. So I needed this in my little collection. So I bought it, but let's go ahead and get started. And then also I'm gonna share with you guys the little project that I actually created with that die for my mom. So let's start with the die because I love it, you guys. I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. This is the little house tree box. It has 11 pieces, which is amazing, and it actually has other little assortments that belong to this. So this is a little house tree box, but they have one where they have the dies where I think it's like a Valentine's set, so you can decorate your house to look like Valentine's Day. They have one that's kind of like a gingerbread, so then you can use that. And then they have another one. I think they have like a total of 3 different ones, and all 3 of those were sold out because otherwise I would have bought them. And they're made for this little house. So it's basically like these little tiny pieces, but it's like decorative portions, decorative pieces that you can use to decorate your little house. So really cute. I'll leave this linked down below for you guys in case you're interested. I think this is such a good little grab, especially if you guys love to give like little handmade gifts. I made one for my mom because you guys already know she loves anything that I make, and she's always like, are you making anything to sell? Please, like, what are you making? She's like, I'll buy it from you. She's the sweetest, and I just love that she loves all of my work. So this is really cute because you can put like little cookies inside with like a little gift card. You can put candies. You can make like a little, you know, hot chocolate mix and put it in there. All kinds of fun. You can put like little jewelry assortments. You can do like little Bath and Body Works gift sets, little travel size, trinkets, keychains, all kinds of fun things that you can do to give these as a gift. So I love it, you guys. Again, you have the actual house itself and it comes with a little tag. Then it has the little roof of the house. It has the 2 different types of windows, and then it has the door, and then this is like a little decorative piece for the windows. So let me show you what I made for my mom. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed. I love this so much. Believe it or not, you guys, it took me like an hour in like maybe like 15 minutes to make this because, well, 1, it was my first time making it, and then 2, you know, I just wanted to make sure that everything that I added was you know, really good, and I love how it turned out. So here's my little door, and then here's my little window up top. On the sides I have my little roof scallop borders, and I actually cut out 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I layered them. And I actually want to make one live on my channel, so I'll be doing a tutorial on how I create something like this for you guys. So that'll be in one of the next upcoming videos. And then here we have the little window, And then this is that little piece that I told you that is for the window. You can either use it this way, you can put it up top like as if it was like a shingle or a roof. I added the little cheer decorative sticker. And then it has a square too, so if you actually don't want to put any windows or anything, you just want to simply like decorate your house, you can. Or if you want to just do like little decor like this, you can as well. So it actually has two little square attachments, and it'll, you know, cut it out perfectly to the side of the house. So this is what I did on this side. And then on this side, I did the little window. I added the holly, and then I added this along with the scallop borders, which kind of like plays out as my snow a little bit. I added a really tiny pearl, and it's just so cute, you guys. I love it. Here is the little tag. I did a little gingerbread with a gold string. I didn't tie this tight because obviously I want my mom to open it up so that she can put something in here. I told her to put, it's for her pastor, so I told her she can put like, I'm going to give her a little cellophane bag when she comes to pick this up. And I told her she should put some like little cookies in there. And then I also made her this little envelope card so that she can put in like a little gift card or something for her. So this envelope is actually perfect, you guys, and I'm probably going to show you guys how I did this one as well. I did it with my We Are Memory Keepers punch, but this is a 6x6. Well, the paper itself was a 6x6, and it fits perfectly the pull apart cards that come in scrapbook collections. So if you guys have a bunch of these and you want to know like, how should I use them? They're perfect to throw into a little envelope, and then you can give as part of a gift or something. Or even if you just want to mail a little something to your friend, you can, you know, you obviously put their address and whatnot. And yeah, I think that would be super cute. So I cut out this one for her. It's just a little pull apart card so that she can write her little message to her pastor. And then look at how cute the inside of the paper is. It's a little gingerbread house. I added some Velcro for the closure, and it's just so cute. Like I said, it fits so well. This little piece I cut out from a pull apart card that I had years ago, and then what I did was, because the decor that was on it was a little more vintage, I wanted it to match my theme, so I decided to just cover it up with this little candy cane that has a bow. It's the cutest little candy cane, and then the little gingerbread man. And then over here, obviously, you know, I didn't want this to be plain Jane, so I added a little snowflake with a little 3D foam. And then it's just so cute, you guys. It fits so perfectly, so I have to actually make myself a note to make some more of these for these little pull-out cards. I think these would be really great to just make a whole bunch of them, have them on hand in a little like box or something, and then you just, come Christmas, you just pull them out and you can kind of just throw them in there. So my mom can write her little note there. If she wants to put a little gift card, as you see, there's enough room for a gift card, and it does fit a gift card. I double checked. Or she can put the little gift card in with the cookies, or, you know, whatever candy she's gonna add in there. But I think this is super adorable, you guys. I'm obsessed. And this is the paper from the inside. I just love it. It's so festive, so fun, super chic and adorable. And I just can't stop staring at it because it's so cute. It took me forever to make it, but now that I know the gist of how this is done, it's so cute. And I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for the other little combination attachments, because one of them is a Valentine's like decor. And then I do love the little gingerbread pieces as well. So I'm going to keep an eye on those to see if they come back in stock. And then once they do, maybe I can just go ahead and grab them. But that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I'll leave it like that. But super cute. All right. Well, moving on. Okay, and then the rest was just really basic stuff that I purchased. I got some more of that double-sided adhesive roll. I love it. I'm loving this sticker adhesive roll. It's really strong, durable, And actually I ended up using some of it for the bottom part, which is really good. And then a lot on the rest of the little stuff I used my my new glue from scrapbook.com. So that worked out really, really well. I was able to, you know, bring it out. And this is 3/4 inch. So I got that, and then I also got this premium foam adhesive. You guys know I love to work with foam when it comes to my scrapbooking and just like decorating like any of my little like pieces. I love foam, and this is a really nice, good, thin foam, but it's nice and thick. Sometimes, you know, I find myself using a lot of foam, so the fact that it's thick, I can cut it down, cut it, you know, if I need bigger pieces, wider pieces, this is perfect. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of these. I want to see how good the sticky part is, but otherwise, I think this is going to work great. So I look forward to using them. And then I actually picked up a roll of the mint tape. These are really good to have on hand for those little tiny pieces of metal die cuts that tend to slip away from your mat. So that's what I got this for, because that's what this is intended to use. It's not an actual adhesive. It's just to hold your metal pieces down on your die cutting machine. So that's what I got this for. And then lastly, everything else that I'll show you is freebies, but the last thing that I purchased were these super cute stickers from Paper Rose Studio. I could not leave them. They are so adorable. They are Valentine's Day theme, and I'm actually going to open them with you because I've been dying to see the rest. They are actually embossed die cuts, and they're 4x A5 sheets of embossed pop-out die cuts, and they're on 200 GSM cardstock. So look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed. I love them. So as you can see, it's a little die cut piece, so it just kind of comes off. I mean, that is super adorable. So here's the first, look at this little house. Oh my gosh. So cute, you guys. Like, I cannot wait to use these. How I'm going to use them, I have no idea. But this sweater is super adorable. That little bear. It's mostly why I got it, because I love the little bear. Look at this. It's so cute. I have a phobia to mice, but luckily this one looks a little cute. And then this one is super, super adorable. Even that squirrel, I don't like squirrels, but these are so cute. I mean, just the fact that they dressed them up in Valentine's Day, I think makes them even cuter. But these are really adorable. I love these, and I'm glad I picked them up. So these are really cute. I'm going to go ahead and pop them back in so we keep them nice and safe. Alright, and that was pretty much it. That's everything that I purchased. Like I said, mainly I wanted to buy this one. And actually what sold me on it was they actually have a tutorial of someone using it, and that's kind of like what helped me purchase it, because sometimes metal die cuts could like intimidate me a little bit, but she made it look so easy, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Alright, so they gave me for free this Simple Stories 6x6 paper pad. It's simple, vintage, fresh snow. It has 24 papers. Let me open it up so that we can see what the prints look like, even though we can see a little bit here. But how cute is this paper pad? Alright. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So it says Hello Winter. Let's start from the back. Okay, and they are double-sided, and the paper feels really nice, almost silky. So you have like little pull-apart cards. Then look at how cute this back side is. Some more pull-apart cards. Look at this one. Super artsy, like an art scene. Then you have like a little notebook paper. You have some grid. Oh, this is such a beautiful paper. You have little tiny pull-apart cards. This one is gorgeous. I love the prints on all of this. This is really, really adorable. Loving this one. So cute. The deer. I mean, these are all just, it's so chic. And then it kind of just repeats itself. Yeah, it looks like it repeats itself. So you get 2 sets of each. A whole 2 sets. Really awesome. So we got that, and then they also sent me this Stacy Park little tag set, and I actually saw the little tutorial video on how she was using this. So basically, I think what they were trying to sell is the glitter by Stacy Park, and this glitter supposedly you can put it on paper even with just adhesive. So what she did was she put adhesive on her tag, and then she put the glitter on there, and she rubbed it, and it literally, everything was covered in glitter. But she actually did it, I think, with the star, with this one right here. So she made the star super shimmery, and there was like no fallout, and it blended in so nicely, and she literally just rubbed it into the adhesive, and it was all shimmery. So I think that's really cool. You know, I may try this one day. Again, I don't really work with a lot of glitter or anything like that, but I thought it was really cool how she was able to do it with just the adhesive. So, and the fact that it didn't have fallout, which contains all the mess, right? Okay, and then I got another mat. If you guys remember, I think in one of my other orders from scrapbook.com, I got the black one. This time they sent me the red magic mat. These are good for die cutting. If you have like a Sizzix machine or just like a die cutting machine, you can put your metal die cuts on here and then just run them through. And that's pretty much what this is, but I like that it's red. Also, if you don't have a die cutting machine and then you still grab it, you can always just use it as a base, you know, to work on and craft on, or if you need something to cut on, I would use it that way. And then lastly, I thought this was super cool. These are trays. They're crafting trays. So basically, they are intended for the purpose. So if you're scrapbooking and you're die cutting different like projects, you take out your little trays, and then you put your decor that you're going to be using for your project in one side, and then you put all your die cutting, so you cut all of your pieces and you put them on one tray, and that way, you know, you're nice and organized and clean in your area while you're crafting. So I thought that was really cool. I'm definitely going to be using these in that way. So basically she had like all these tiny little pieces cut. She put them all here, and then all her like little decor ribbon things that she wanted to use to decorate, she had them in a different tray. So I thought that was really cool. I'm definitely going to be putting these babies to good use, but that's pretty much it, you guys. That is everything I got from scrapbook.com, and that's the little project that I made for my mom. I wanted to show it to you guys before I give it to her. I also took some pictures, and I hope to post them on my Instagram so that, you know, in case nobody follows me there, you can still see it there. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and want to see more. If you did and you're new and coming to my channel and stopping by, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Turn on your bell button so that you get notified on my next video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!